The super tight fairway lie is one of the trickiest features you're going to face when you play a modern golf course. And as Rick Smith points out in Golf Digest, there's only one way to properly execute a shot from one of these lies, and that is to make sure that you move the bottom of your swing arc forward so that you're bottoming out in front of the ball rather than behind it, meaning you should hit down on the ball, making contact with the ball first, then the ground. And the only way to do that is to make sure that your hands are in front of the ball at impact. But there's a great danger lurking here if you take this technique too far. Smith says that a lot of golfers get so focused on keeping their hands in front of the ball that they forget to turn through the shot. So instead, they sort of stop their bodies, end up holding that club face open through impact, pushing the ball out to the right, and then give themselves this power-sapping chicken wing move to the end of the swing. Instead, what Smith says that you should do is that while you still want to make sure that those hands are in front of the ball through impact, you have to keep turning your body weight to your left through impact. And you have to let those arms, that left forearm rotate to square up the face in time for when you hit the ball. So once again, that sequence is make sure that your hands are ahead of the club head, but keep turning your body and rotate those arms through the shot. Because it's still a golf shot that you're trying to execute here, not a hockey slap shot.